Now, today is World Tourism Day. Think of tourism in Africa and you might think of Kenya, Egypt, or even the Seychelles. But most people's thoughts wouldn't go straight to Mogadishu. And that's something the Somali government is keen to change. They've set up tour boats and security guards at beaches in an effort to attract visitors. Ahmed Adan reports.
These scenes are from a seaside restaurant on Lido Beach in 2016, where at least 7 people were killed in a bomb and gun attack in the Somali capital, Mogadishu. This is Lido Beach today, a space reclaimed by the public in the face of years of violent terrorist attacks. Now, every Friday, thousands of locals visit in this beach from different parts of the capital, mostly from areas the government still controls. Local government has been trying to take advantage of this return to normalcy and spike in local tourism by investing in the area. The public have enthusiastically embraced these improvements.
I come to Lido Beach often. I miss it and return every 2 weeks. It's good to have friends along, and that's why we come here every Friday when all the young people are here.
It's my first time coming here today. People mostly come here on Fridays to enjoy themselves. I've had a lot of fun, although I haven't gone in the water. I plan to swim next week.
These kind of ventures have created excitement among Somalis, and the government hopes to tap into this in order to create environment that will enable it develop tourism for both locals and foreigners. However, the safety and security of the tourists is the main challenge.
Sometimes the sound of gunshots cuts between the happy hum of holidaymakers. And we were told that the guards do this to disperse youths when they start fighting each other and disrupt the peace.
The security situation here is good. We have Somali Marines who take care of it. They patrol the beach and look after the safety of people. We also have police units who guard the coast. We have also provided 2 boats so that encourages people to enjoy the beach without fear.
Last September, Somalia was admitted as the 157th member of the United Nations World Tourism Organization. However, security is still a major problem, with the terrorist group Al-Shabaab attacking many major hotels and restaurants in Mogadishu. But that is not stopping local tourists determined to have their day at the beach. Ahmed Hassan Adan, BBC, Mogadishu.